हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। बहुत दिनों बाद आपके साथ एक बार फिर और चैप्टर लाइव प्रोसेस क्लास 10th सेम चैनल edu.learn-science। मैं अजय सिंह। आज हम बात करेंगे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स। ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। As students, as you already know, our heading is digestive system in human beings. Actually, human digestive system is studied under two categories. In first category, we study the digestive system, that means the different organs which take parts in the digestion of food among human beings. And in second category, we will study the different digestive glands which secrete different type of enzymes and secretions into this digestive system. Okay, so as you can clearly see, I have drawn here a complete diagram of human digestive system. Actually, human digestive system has different organs to work together to perform its function. In human digestive system, this system, you can clearly see, it is known as the gut, gut, or it is also known as the alimentary canal. It is known as the gut, or it is also known as the alimentary canal. This alimentary canal starts from our mouth and ends up to the last opening of our body. It is known as the anus. This alimentary canal, I have written here, this alimentary canal or gut is of approx 9 meter. 9 meter, आप सोच सकते हैं कि it is approx of 2 stories building, more than 2 stories building. So this alimentary canal, which starts from mouth and ends up to the anus, is approx of 9 meter. The main part of this alimentary canal, in which the process of digestion takes place, has many organs or many parts. You can see the first part is known as the mouth. Mouth is the, this is mouth. Mouth is the opening of this alimentary canal. And this mouth actually opens in a chamber-like structure. This is a chamber-like structure. It is known as the oral cavity, or it is known as the buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, there are 3 salivary glands located in the buccal cavity or oral cavity. Salivary glands which secrete saliva, जिसे आप लोग लार के नाम से जानते हैं, लार भी कहते हैं. So these salivary glands secretes saliva. Functioning हम second वीडियो में स्टडी करेंगे. This is the first part of digestive system, human digestive system, in it we are just studying only the structure of human digestive system and the organs which take part in the digestive system of human being. So these salivary glands, you can clearly see, first is parotid gland. It is located at the side of the face, at the side of the face. Second is sublingual gland. Sublingual gland, it is below the tongue, ये टंग के नीचे होती है. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द लोअर जॉ के बिल्कुल कॉर्नर पे नीचे की ओर वन मोर सलाइवरी ग्लैंड इज देयर. इट इज नोन एज द सब मैंडिबुलर ग्लैंड. तो देयर आर 3 salivary glands: parotid gland at the side of the face, sublingual gland just below the tongue of the, in the front of the tongue of tongue, and third is submandibular gland just at the angle of the lower jaw. Next, this buccal cavity, जो हमारा मुंह है वो ओपन होता है लैरिंगोफेरिंक्स में. ये जो पोर्शन है ये फेरिंक्स है, और आप इसको समझ सकते हैं फेरिंक्स, और उसी के नीचे ये जो पोर्शन है दिस इज नोन एज द लैरिंक्स. लैरिंक्स जो बोलने के लिए काम आता है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी दिस इज माउथ एंड दिस इज आवर बकल कैविटी. बकल कैविटी एट द साइड ऑफ द फेस, और फेस parotid glands are situated just below the, in the last of the tongue there is sublingual gland, and at the end of the jaw, lower jaw, there is submandibular gland. This buccal cavity जो आपको चैम्बर मुंह के अंदर दिखाई दे रहा है, it opens in laryngopharynx. This is laryngopharynx, and this one you can clearly observe, you can clearly feel by own self. This is our larynx. It's clear? And larynx just it is trachea, जिससे कि it is also known as the windpipe. And this buccal cavity also end into one tube-like structure. You can see this one, this tube-like structure. Buccal cavity also opens into a tube-like structure. It is known as the esophagus. It is known as the food pipe. That means food pipe हमारे जो आगे की ओर है, यहाँ आगे की ओर इन द फ्रंट ऑफ अर नेक, दिस इज विंड पाइप, और इसके बैक, इसके पीछे की तरफ ध्यान रखेंगे, पीछे की तरफ देयर इज फूड पाइप. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द ईसोफेगस. इज इट क्लियर? अब एक्चुअली फंक्शनिंग हम बाद में देखते हैं. देन दिस ईसोफेगस, ये आप ट्रैकिया विंड पाइप है, ये लंग्स में चले जाते हैं. यहाँ से दीज ब्रांचेस गोज टू द लंग्स, इनटू द लंग्स, एंड दिस esophagus which is approx of 25 centimeter long muscular tube. Esophagus approx of 25 centimeter, pharynx approx of 12 centimeter. It is of this esophagus opens into a C-shaped or J-shaped stomach. ये जो हमारा इसोफेगस है, जो फूड पाइप है, इट ओपन्स इनटू अ जे और सी शेप्ड स्टमक. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज, यू कैन सी अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ these coiled structure. These coiled structure you can clearly see closed in this structure. These coiled structure is known as the small intestine. Look, I have written here small intestine. It is approx of 6 meter. 6 meter है small, इसकी width बहुत कम होती है, so that's why it is known as the small intestine. This small intestine ends up into a large intestine. You can see these structures constriction are also there. This structure, this part of alimentary canal is known as the large intestine. It is approx of 1.5 meter, and this large intestine ends to a sac-like structure. It is known as the rectum. Rectum, it is approx of 12 to 20 centimeter, and this rectum ends up to the outer opening of our body. It is known as the anus. This one is the anus. So basically, human digestive system consists of first part mouth, second is buccal cavity जो हमारे मुंह में चैम्बर खुलता है, नेक्स्ट इज फेरिक्स, नेक्स्ट इज esophagus फूड पाइप, देन स्टोमक, then after stomach small intestine wide structure, and this is large intestine, rectum and anus. So in this way we can study the structure of human digestive system, and this long tube which is approx of 9 meter long started from mouth and ends up to the anus, 9 मीटर लॉन्ग. तो आप देखें कितना लंबा प्रोसेस है इसको ह्यूमन डाइजेशन में, ह्यूमन जो फूड इनटेक कर रहा है उसको डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए कितना लंबा प्रोसेस हमारे बॉडी को कवर अप करना पड़ता है. सो फंक्शनिंग अभी हम देखेंगे इन आवर सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो. दिस स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ये जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन जो कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर आप देख रहे हैं, इट हैज 3 पार्ट. फर्स्ट इज ड्यूडेनम, ड्यूडेनम जहां से स्टोमक खत्म होता है और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन स्टार्ट होती है. सेकंड जो बीच का जो क्वाड स्ट्रक्चर आपको नजर आ रहा है, दिस इज व्हाट इज नोन एज द जेजुनम, एंड द लास्ट पार्ट, दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट और द एंड ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज नोन एज द ileum. So small intestine also have 3 parts. Opening of or starting of the small intestine is known as the duodenum. Last part is known as the ileum, and the middle part is known as the jejunum. And in large intestine, दिस कंस्ट्रिक्शन, जो बड़ी से जो कंस्ट्रिक्शन हमको नजर आ रहे हैं, ये कंस्ट्रिक्शन जो नजर आ रहे हैं, दिस इज नोन एज द असेंडिंग कॉलन. ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का फर्स्ट पार्ट असेंडिंग कॉलन, दिस इज नोन एज द ट्रांसवर्स कॉलन, एंड दिस इज नोन एज द डिसेंडिंग कॉलन, एंड डिसेंडिंग कॉलन एंड्स अप टू द रेक्टम, एंड रेक्टम एंड्स अप टू द एनस. सो इन दिस वे आप यहाँ एक चीज और देख सकते हैं, ये स्टोमक के साइड में ऊपर की ओर क्या है, ये आपका लिवर, द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ आवर बॉडी. लिवर से जो जूस निकलता है यहाँ पर, ये जो है ये गॉल ब्लैडर है, वो जूस इसमें स्टोर होता है. इस स्टोमक के जस्ट बिहाइंड, पीछे की ओर, नीचे की ओर, वन ग्लैंड इज देयर. इट इज नोन एज द pancreas. It is one more gland, like liver. Liver is first gland, pancreas is second gland. Is it clear? And so this is the complete structure of human digestive system. Once again, human digestive system comprises of gut, or it is also known as the alimentary canal, which starts from the mouth and ends up to the opening of a body, it is known as the anus. Mouth opens into a chamber which is known as the buccal cavity or oral cavity. This buccal cavity contains salivary glands which secretes saliva, and then it ends up to the pharynx, esophagus, esophagus opens into stomach. Stomach ends up to the small intestine. Small intestine has three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. And small intestine ends up to large intestine. It also has three parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, which ends up to rectum and final anus. This complete alimentary canal is of 9 meter. Small intestine, जो यहाँ बंद स्ट्रक्चर, क्वाड स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हैं, it is approx of 6 meter. Large intestine, this one is of 1.5 meter. Esophagus, which is also known as the food pipe, it is of 25 centimeter. Rectum, it is of 12 to 20 centimeter. So in this way you came to know about the structure of human digestive system, which comprises the alimentary canal. Human digestive system also has some digestive glands. These digestive glands opens into this alimentary canal through a duct, and these digestive glands play very important role in the digestion of food. This we will study in the second part of this video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Like करें same channel, YouTube channel edu.learnscience. Like and comment. Thank you.